Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back again to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a dental plaque remedy, and a whitening teeth remedy. Now see, dental plaque is those brownish stuff that has been accumulated in your teeth. It is mostly caused by you not brushing your teeth. Sometimes these things comes on our teeth from small. Those times they'll say brush your teeth, you'll be like, why should I brush my teeth, all of that stuff, and then before you know it, the dental plaque will begin to accumulate, and then you begin to be shy. So that is why you need to use this to brush your teeth, remove all of those dental plaque, remove those tartar, and then get a whiter teeth. Okay, now this is something that you have to use just 2 times in a week, or at most once in a week. It helps to brighten up your teeth, but it is not very good for the enamel. Okay, that is why I need to use it once or twice in a week, but it does a whole lot of it's wetting up your teeth, like you're gonna be like, wow, look at my teeth. Yeah, look at that. See how my teeth is. I brush with this at most once in 2 weeks, because I too sometimes can be lazy. Okay, but yeah, when you put this together and brush your teeth, all of the dental plaque will be removed and your teeth is going to get so sparkling white. Let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up and share, and watch the video to the very end so you could get all of the full details on how to use it and when to use it. Okay, let's go. Alright you guys, so to remove those dental plaque, get a whiter teeth, in just few minutes you're going to be needing coconut. You're going to be needing coconut milk. Now the reason why I have this coconut is because you'll be needing the milk. I have my coconut oil, but for today you're not going to be needing the coconut oil. Because the oil and the milk is in this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create it. I'm going to try to do that in the circular motion so I can get as much juice as I can. So after creating your coconut, then you put in a little bit of water to get your coconut milk out. So you would have to press it like this. Just like this. You do it just like this so that the milk would come out very well. Now the milk comes out with the oil. Alright, so after that is done, then you have to sieve out the milk from the shaft, and then use your spoon to press that out. Have your coconut milk, So the next ingredient we're going to be needing is a rice powder. All right, when it comes to getting the white teeth and removing dental plaque, you need a little bit of white rice powder. So I'm going to be putting it in here, and then I'm going to be putting in the 2 tablespoons of the rice powder. Mix it all up. Then after that, you need baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is one ingredient that helps so much in whitening of the teeth, although it is a little aggressive when it comes to the gum, and that is why you need to reduce the days in which you use it. But when it comes to whitening of the teeth, it works a whole lot of miracle in that aspect. So you continue stirring it this way, and then the last ingredient to add up in here is your Colgate, which is you're going to pressing in a good quantity of that into this, and then you mix it up really well. Just like this. Alright, so after that is done, give me a brush. Your paste is ready to remove all of those dental plaque and tartar, and then whiten up your teeth. Look at how it is. It's ready. Alright you guys, so the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your toothbrush and then you're gonna dip it in here just like this, and then you're gonna use this to brush your teeth once or twice a week. And you're gonna do this for your teeth, for the front side of your teeth. You're gonna do it in an up and down direction just like this. You go in like this, and then you brush the inner part of your teeth, you know, and then you brush the upper part of your teeth using this, and make sure you brush very well, although not too much so you don't have to injure yourself. And lastly, you then brush your tongue in a circular motion. Make sure that you dip your brush into your mouth very well, and then you brush your tongue. That way your tongue is going to be clean and your mouth is going to your mouth is going to be fresh, your teeth is going to be whiter, and the dental plaque will be removed. All right, so here you go give this a go. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. I am very sure you will be loving it, because to remove all of the dental plaque, your dental tartar, and then your brown teeth will become white. So that's it, you guys. That is an amazing dental plaque removal remedy that helps to whiten up your teeth. So that's it. Okay, go brush this at least 2 times or once in a week, and then you're gonna have your teeth looking so white. You're gonna have your teeth looking so sparkling. All right guys, I'll see you again in another video, and bye guys.